Hello everyone. I hope all of you are safe and some of you I know are excited for this new lesson as we encountered a new normal situation. So everyone, I would like to welcome you in electrical installation and maintenance. So I am your teacher. I am Mr. Dennis Ialapoo. I am electrical teacher and I am advisor also. And currently I am in 5 years in teaching at GMATS. So let's discuss about objectives of this particular topic. The first one, identify different electrical tools and equipment and job requirements. So at the end of this lesson, you will be familiarized with the different electrical tools and equipment in a particular job. The second one, develop skills and find pleasure in familiarizing different electrical tools and equipment. So these skills is a lifelong skills and you must be find pleasure or enjoy in familiarizing different electrical tools and equipment. The third one, value the importance of electrical tools and equipment in particular job requirements. So that's why our subject is electrical installation and maintenance because is you must maintain those electrical tools. So let's proceed to the performance standard. The learner independently prepares appropriate electrical tools and equipment and electrical installation and maintenance based on industry standards. So our performance standard should be based and aligned with the industry standards. And for the content standard, the learner demonstrate an understanding of the concepts in the preparing different electrical tools and equipment. So after this topic or lesson, you're going to you can demonstrate your understanding by this different electrical tools and equipment by familiarizing those electrical tools. So the lesson one, which is different electrical tools and equipment. But before we proceed for this lesson or topic, I will I will be giving you a pre-test. Okay, in your activity notebook, answer this pre-test. But don't worry about the result because this is just for me to know your prior knowledge about this particular topic. So, direction, given the picture above, choose your answer from the word inside the box below. So, I will giving you 30 seconds to answer. Timer start now. Okay, time is up. Okay, same direction, but I will giving you 1 minute. Time start now. Okay, time's up. Okay, for last direction, write the letter only of the correct answer. I will give you also 1 minute. Okay, timer start now. Okay, time's up. So let's discuss now the different electrical tools and equipment. The first tools, the pliers. So some of you already know and see it. So the pliers is made from metal with insulators in the handle and are used for cutting, twisting, bending, holding, and gripping wires and cables. So basically, we have three types of pliers. Let's discuss. The first one is side cutting pliers. These types of pliers is used for cutting fine, medium, and big wires and cables. So from the word itself, side cutting, which is used for cutting fine, medium wires. That is the picture of the side cutting pliers. It has a blade. Okay. Next one. So the second type of pliers is the long nose pliers. So what is long nose pliers? That is the actual picture of the long nose pliers. It is used for cutting and holding fine wires. This can reach tight space or small opening where other pliers cannot reach, and also used in making terminal loops of copper wires. So it has also blade for cutting and also used for holding fine wires. So you may ask, what is terminal loops? That is the actual picture of terminal loop. It is used to tight the connection or to avoid the lost contact of the following electrical materials. For example, that is switch. So that is the function of terminal loop. Next one, and it is the last, the combination pliers or lineman's pliers. This is used for gripping, holding, and cutting electrical wires and cables and even small nails. They are usually used in linemen and heavy tasks. So the combination of the side cutting and the longest pliers is the lineman's pliers. Okay, so next we have screwdrivers. Some of you are already familiar with the screwdrivers. These tools are made of steel and hardened and tempered at the tip and used to loosen or tighten screws with the slatted heads. They come in various sizes and shape. So let's discuss the different types of screwdrivers. The first one is Phillips screwdrivers. So Phillips screwdrivers, it has cross tip resembling a positive sign. Okay, the tip of this screwdriver is cross, and this is used to drive screws with cross slat heads. So that is the screw which has cross slot heads. Standard flat screwdriver. The blade tape is weighed, shaped, and resemble a negative sign. So you can see this used to drive screw with a single slot head. Okay, stubby screwdriver. It comes either standard or Phillips with short shank blade, and a shorted handle. Okay, used to turn screw in a tight space where standard screwdrivers cannot be used. So the stubby screwdriver is the small one. Okay. So next we have Allen screwdriver or wrench. That is Allen screwdriver. And this one is Allen wrench. Okay. This could be in the shape of screwdrivers or wrench. Its function is to drive screw with hexagonal slot head. The next electrical tools is the wire stripper. Okay? A tool used for removing insulation of medium-sized wires ranging from gauge number 10 to gauge number 16. So it is used to remove the insulation of the wires. The insulation of the wires are the plastic inside the copper wire. Okay? That is the example of wire stripper removing the insulation of the wire. Okay? It has a various types, and it has different function. But the main purpose or the function is to remove the insulation of the wires. Next is the electrician's knife. So basically that is knife. Okay? This used by linemen to remove insulation of wires and cables in low and high voltage transmission lines. So if you remember, the wire strippers is only used to remove insulation from gauge 10 to 16, but this electrician's light used to remove the insulation of the wire from the low and high voltage transmission lines. So even the big wires uh, it can be removed by the electrician's knife. Okay? We have the portable electric drill. So some of you are familiar with this. A small drilling machine with a shank capacity of 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. It is used in making holes on metal sheet and concrete walls. So that is drilling machine used for making holes on metals and also in the concrete walls. Okay. Next, we have hacksaw, or in Tagalog, lagaring bakal. This is used to cut metal, conduits, and outboard cables. So that is we are using for cutting the conduits. So and also armored cable. So some of you are not familiar with this. That is Hickey or pipe bender. A tool used for bending electrical metallic conduit, pipes, or tubing to form offset and 90 degrees bend. So in electrical, basically we are bending those conduits and tubings. When you say offset, less than 45 degrees. Okay? Next we have electric heat gun. A tool used for making a bend, especially PVC or polyvinyl chloride pipes, to form a variety of bending. So that is the PVC. It is used for bending also it releases heat, air to bend the PVC pipes. We have hammers or Tagalog martilyo. These are tools used in driving or pounding or pulling out nails. They are made of hard steel, wood, plastic, or rubber. The following are types of hammer. The first one is the claw hammer. So it is basic. Second one, mallet or rubber head. Okay. The third one is ball peen hammer. Okay. Next we have bench vise. Some of you are not familiar with this. Okay. That is the actual picture. A holding device attached to a workbench has two jaws. Okay. To hold workpiece firmly in place. Okay. So you must familiar with this particular electrical equipment. Okay. That is the conduit pipes being held by the bench vise. Next we have the spirit level. You are wondering why spirit? So this is the actual picture of spirit level. Okay, what is the purpose of this or the use? It is used to design to indicate whether a surface is level on the horizontal or vertical planes. Okay, so you would see this picture or the water inside the spirit level in the center, meaning the surface you are being leveled is good. Okay, we have pull push rule or in Tagalog metro. Okay, some of you are familiar with this. Okay, a measuring tool used to measure the length of an object in centimeter and inches. So some of your father has already this or have this metro. Okay, these are measuring tools. Okay, next we have the last one. It is multi-tester or BOM. B stands for voltmeter, O for ohmmeter, and M for milliammeter. So the first picture is the analog, the second one is the digital. Okay, the instrument that measure voltage, resistance, and current in the circuit. So that's all the electrical tools and equipment. Let's have post test. Okay, I would like to know how much you have learned in our topic by answering this post test in your activity notebook. So direction, given the following pictures, choose your answer from the word inside the box below. So I will giving you 30 seconds to answer. Timer start now. Okay, time's up. Okay, same direction, but I will give you 1 minute. Time start now. Okay, time's up. Okay, for last direction, write the letter only of the correct answer. I will give you also 1 minute. Okay, timer start now. Okay, time's up. Okay, for your pre-test and post-test in your activity notebook, make sure to take a picture of it and send it to me to email or private message. And that's all our topic. Stay safe. Thank you and God bless us all.